right, today we're going to talk about Jim's housing predictions for 2022. So, for the upcoming year, 2022, home prices are predicted to continue to rise. They will not rise to levels we saw in 2021. Now, in 2021, we saw some areas appreciate as much as up to 19.5%. We saw bidding wars through spring and into early summer that brought home prices above listing prices and even above appraisal prices in many instances. How this was accomplished? Many home buyers were paying the cash difference between the appraised price and the contract price. So if the home appraised for less than the agreed upon price, they would bring the difference in cash. Now, late summer into fall, we saw less of the bidding wars. We did see homes still selling at list price in most circumstances. For 2022, predictions from sources such as Zillow and Goldman Sachs are that we will see home prices rise to as high as 13 to 16%, which is amazing, still slightly down from the levels we saw in 2021. Now, for perspective, the largest 12-month uptick in history before this was 14.1% just before the market crash in 2008. The crash in 2008 was largely caused by mortgage fraud and bad loans going into foreclosure. The current uptick we're seeing is caused by housing supply shortage. COVID had a little bit to do with it by having material prices going up so high that builders didn't want to build. But anyhow, we are just past the halfway mark of the 5-year period of 2019 and 2023, where the largest millennial birth years of 1989 and 1993 adults will reach their prime first-time homebuyer age of 30 years old. Supply and demand. So when we have more demand than we do supply, that's prices are going to go up. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are predicting home prices will only rise around 7% in 2022. That's still higher than the historical norm. And finally, interest rates are predicted to stay under 3.5%, which is still amazing. First house I bought, I paid 12% interest, and I was really happy that they came down from 18 to 19. So, to finish up, my predictions are that the housing market will not slow down, but home prices will start to normalize. We have a housing supply shortage that will balance out as home builders get back into building homes and as material prices stabilize to help fuel that. 2022 will be a great time to buy or sell as we get back into a healthy real estate market. So, any questions, you want to talk further about this, talk about buying or selling, give me a call. We'll talk to you. Thanks.